we will share about our first instrumentation project. Plantuino is our first project based on Arduino. This is a miniature Plantuino control of gardening plants. So, why do we want to control gardening? Simple reason. We love gardening, but we don't have much time to take care of it. And plants will be too sad if they can't photosynthesize because of less irrigation. So, our last idea is Plantuino.
Yay!
First, what does the equipment need? Picture of the circuit. This is an Arduino Uno board. This is LCD, relay, motor as a pump, moisture sensor, resistor, and diode. The result of a series, you can see this is a broccoli plant, electrical wiring, an LCD for read soil moisture value, pump, moisture sensor, and then a hose to flush our plants with water. An electrical wiring connect to Arduino board, and Arduino board connect to LCD and PC. Now we see the program code to control Arduino. You can see the program code to connect Arduino with LCD at arduino.cc, but we made some adjustment for the code to control the pump. This code to control pump. The height means the pump will flush the plant with the water, and low means the pump turn off. We set the code program pump will work if the soil moisture is less than 1000. So, let's see the LCD display. The moisture value is 978. So, we compile the program and then we upload to the Arduino board, and we see the pump will work, and then when the moisture value reaches 1000, the pump will stop. Now we have a happy plant as has been well controlled irrigation. Thanks for watching.